I got my first gray hair at 19. So I've been doing this a long time, and believe me, I've tried a lot of products, but this kit covers my gray in no time, and it just makes it so easy to use, and I can do it at home, which is amazing. It comes with literally everything I need. Step 1, use the Protect Color Block Barrier Gel all around your hairline. Next, you're gonna take the color pigment and the Activate Developer bottle and mix them together. Okay, so the first thing I do is I section my hair into 4 different parts. You wanna be very generous and make sure the hair is very saturated for full coverage. So unlike most at-home color, this doesn't leave my hair dry and brittle. It is clinically proven to leave your hair 15 times shinier, 88% smoother, and reduce breakage by 40%. Okay, I've done the complete application, and I'm gonna wait 45 minutes for full coverage. Oh my gosh, I love it. And look at that coverage, 100%. And it smells amazing, and it's so soft and bouncy. I have to say, I was nervous about doing this at home because I usually go to the salon, but this kit from IGK made it super easy. Find your perfect hair color at igkhair.com. Click the link below and subscribe now.